Hello everyone, this is Chemdork and welcome to another Buildcraft video. Just doing some repairs. The double doors now for everything are fixed. That's good. Oh, this one's not fixed, so I think... Sometimes I just replace the door and it's fine. Other times I actually need to reverse the wiring, which is weird. Yeah, this is fine. Most of the doors are like this, only two of them. That one and my one in my house, I actually had to like switch wiring. It's kind of strange. Don't know what the deal is with that. But today's episode, we're going to be repairing the tree farm. Basically updating it, repairing it, bringing it into the recent Buildcraft 3 version 3, 3.1.3, bringing it up to there. So right now, we tested it out last episode, and, you know, besides it looking ridiculous, it's obviously not working properly. So that's part of it is just, well, actually most of it, almost all of it, probably all of it indeed, is going to be redoing these templates. So let's just get rid of these templates, and that is going to save things, probably. That's probably going to be the deal. And actually, I think this is going to have to be, basically everything, I'm just going to place it again back in the world. Because I'm pretty sure pretty much everything here is totally screwed. There's a few aspects that we need to fix. The templates for the builders here, and oh, you know what? This was placed by me in another time. I was actually trying to get rid of some of the tree leaves that were stuck here. But I've noticed that when I ran this thing before and ran the harvest button, which we're not going to do now, because what happens is it actually starts to delete everything up there too. The other difference between the harvester is that the direction, actually, of reducing blocks here is changed from a previous Buildcraft version. So what happens is actually it removes, see this line of wood that used to be sort of our like safety wood? It gets removed completely. And actually, I think it gets removed completely because it also gets removed up there, too. There's something funny going on with the templates up in the air, too. Like, I have no idea what this one's doing. I think it's that, but I'm not really sure. It's really kind of confusing. So I'm just going to replace every one of these machines. Just going to take it away, put it back again. Oops. There you go. And put the templates back in where they need to be for this filler. We're actually going to replace the landmarks again. So for now, I didn't really want to do that. Man, that's okay. But he's out of, well, he was out of fuel, but he gets, yeah, this was here for another purpose. You'll see in maybe a future episode. But, yeah, we'll do that. And, yeah, we'll place that back. But we have to place the landmarks again to delineate what this is. Because this box used to be designated as the filler box, but it's actually not. What happens is the filler removes things. It was really weird. I just don't know how to describe what was happening. But I think it'll all be fixed once we get rid of and then replace a lot of these machinery. Well, that seemed to do it. What I did was I said, you know what makes sense here is to just get rid of all the templates. Like, actually physically delete them in the Minecraft bin folder, basically. They're stored in the .minecraft. I think it's, I don't know if it's even the bin folder. It's somewhere in there, but it says blueprints. And I just deleted them all. I just said, screw it. They're not going to work in this version, so let's just get rid of them. And that worked. It just now has these, oh, cool. It makes them unnamed templates. That's nice. They're just remade as blank templates, and we're good. So now all we need is a template drawing table, which is now an architect table. And I believe it's probably a good idea. Yeah, these are coming from my smelter, by the way, in case you're wondering. Works pretty well. There it goes. And you might have noticed before that... what is it? This is like not connected anymore. I didn't connect it because I think I lost it. I forget what happened. I think it actually, no, you know what, a creeper exploded here. That's right. And I just never repaired it because I hardly ever need my cactus farm because, well, look at this. Oh, you know what, I should probably check this, but yeah, so plenty of waterproofing, plenty of cactus green dye. What else is there? Not much. There's more cactus green here. I think I can... Oh, yeah, you know what? I can pump this out. I mean, this should work fine. This is no big deal. Oh, see? Do you see what happens? Creepers, they explode. Creeper. Creeper's gonna creep, and we're gonna kill him. Because he's creeping around. Don't you dare do that. Oh, where'd you go? Don't try to be sneaky. He wants inside. Look at that. He wants to come inside. Probably gonna have a buddy, like, come out behind me. Such an evil thing. We're just gonna play it safe. What's up, creeper? Rah! There we go. Yay, experience. Yeah. But yeah, like I said, I never replaced that, so that's the deal there. Yep, waterproofing. This is the temporary storage for my green dye, and then when I turn on the processing here, oh, you know what? Let's do that. Let's actually just turn it on. All this is redstone, so it shouldn't have been changed from the previous Buildcraft version. Yeah, these aren't... They're connected to nothing, as you might know. Waterproofing production, that's that one. The cactus green production actually turns it on, so they'll start spitting cactus out there, but... Yep, should be these two running. One to pump the cactus green dye out, and one to pump the waterproofing out of here. Pretty simple. Yeah, that works fine. And this is pumping them out of the furnace, so that's fine. Alright, cool. Ooh, sorry for my jerky motions here. That's just how I roll. Got coffee going on here, and you know how I like coffee with my Minecraft. Very important. Okay, I'm going to do a little repairs here, though, and then I'm going to set up an area where we can redo our templates. Remember, we have to draw them in the same orientation. We have to make them in the same way, but the templates work the same. It's not blueprint. Blueprints are also now in Buildcraft, which are essentially if you want to build, for example, exactly this as you see it, with every block being exactly the same as it should be, you can do that. You can completely copy a structure, which is pretty cool. But I don't know how useful it is. There might be a nice use for it that I can figure out in a machine, other than, hey, I want to copy this building. Yeah, other than that, I'm not really sure. But anyways, I digress, and in doing so, I should get rid of this column of dirt. That's kind of ugly, isn't it? Yeah, we really need to beautify this area. It's becoming to look a little especially with the storage room, looks a little It's really functional, though, but And you know what's cool? Now I can use, since I'm in Buildcraft, or I'm sorry, Minecraft 1.2.5, I can use things like the stairs that are upside down, the upside down half slabs, all that cool stuff to make it look a lot nicer than it is. So I will do that eventually. For now, though, the concentration is to fix the tree farm. That stuff is for later. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. Hey, cool. Another feature I actually just, before I do anything, another feature I'm going to show you in Buildcraft 3, which is different than the previous one. In Diamond Pipes, which didn't make much sense before, you used to actually have to use an item. So each one of these items were something that I created and just lost. But now, it's not the case. So when you click it on there, it just makes a copy of the item to just mark it as that item, which makes a lot more sense, because this is just meant for saying, hey, if there's a water bucket, just sort it into blue, and instead, you know, don't. But you shouldn't have to waste an item for that, so this is just me marking stuff. Why do I have the filler? Did I actually have a filler separate? Yeah, that's why I didn't actually use this to mark things like the filler, etc., because it's like a really resource-intense item to craft, and I don't want to have to craft one item just for sorting purposes. But this should work now just fine. I should be able to put this filler back and have it populate right back in where it should. Ooh, yeah, let's drop it off. I didn't want to do that. Here. These should work just fine, too. They should go to... Okay, well, this should... where is it? There. Where's my iron pick? It should come right back in here. I think I have it sorted to go. Yeah, I do. There it goes. And this should now go back up into here, I believe. Yep. Oh, whoops. I screwed that one up. I need to put them on this side. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Where's the other templates? That's weird. Yeah, I have to fix that. But yeah, that's a cool little feature. And I will go ahead and say see you later. Okay, on to the fixing. I fixed the pipe up there that was broken, and now it's time to put in the templates once again. So first of all, I have to make a I have to make a 11 wide by 7. Well, I'm sorry, 11 wide by, or deep, I guess, by 17 wide by 11 tall. That's the entire cube here. In order to make it normal, I think it's where the builders were. They were 11 wide. I'm sorry, 11 deep by 17 wide by 10 tall. So let's make that with our landmarks here. So let's do this. About here. Right? Yep, here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Should bring us to the other end. Yep, it does. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, and then need to be 11 tall, well, 10 tall for this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, nope, nope. There we go. Alright, here we go. Ah! Ooh, man, that hurt. Okay, make the cube shape. Actually, you want the drawing table to be over there, over right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So there's the cube that we're going to have for our bottom builder, and it's also going to be the same template, remember, for the bottom builder as it is the top builder. So we're going to make 2 templates with this. I have 2 blank ones. Now we just need to make the proper shape in terms of the, what was it? In terms of the dirt, which can also then be the shape for the, yeah, I'm thinking about it, hold on. So I know that, for the dirt and then for the saplings. So I know that it was 15 of these guys. I think, if I remember right, it's, because this is, it was 2 away, it was here, yeah, there, and then it's 2, 2, and then 1, 2, yeah, that's it, okay. And it's 5 rows of these that are spaced 2 apart. I think that was how it was. Is that right? Does that sound right? Maybe it's right. We'll know in a second. Oops. If this works out okay, I'll know. And I think it was 2 over here. Okay, that's 1, 2. Right here. Okay. We basically did this before. Yeah, this is right. Okay, so that's what that was all about. Oh, really? We had it like that? Okay. Well, anyways, that's, oh, wait, and the ever-important, second one. As far as I know, it still builds from the bottom up. We'll see about that. I'm pretty sure that's correct, so we'll see. The idea was to starve it, the builder, by giving it only 15 blocks, even though the template includes a 16th. So right now, what we'll do is I will make a template. Put one in. Wait, before I do that, I'm going to give it a name. This is the dirt and saplings. Okay, template. It's going to be called the same thing. Oh no, I'm part of the template. Actually, I have no idea what happens if you destroy a block while this thing is creating a template. Oh, there it goes. Dirt and saplings. Alright, let's do it again. Doesn't take too long to build one. We will need another template, but I want to see how these... they don't stack. Okay, I want to see how these deal with one another. Okay, so that's that. Let's take care of this. I swear I've done this before, right? Okay. Okay, now this should... When I give this template to these 2 builders, it should work. Everything should work perfectly fine for planting, actually. So wait a minute. Actually, yeah, I shouldn't. I shouldn't have to do anything other than make sure that this has 15 pieces of dirt. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and this should have an infinite amount of saplings, basically. Okay, dirt and saplings. Ba-bam. Dirt and saplings. template. Let's see. That looks right. Yeah, alright, that looks right. Now what we need to do is start planting. Now I know that one is wrong, basically. But let's start planting and see what happens. Okay, weird. I don't know what that's doing. Is it doing it in the same place? Yeah, it is doing it in the same way as before. Weird. Huh. Interesting. I don't know why that thing is still hanging around, but it's not enough time now for it to plant saplings. That's weird. We'll have to look at this thing a little more. That's weird. I don't know what happens to this. I mean, does it go away after a while? Let's watch it actually. So it goes to the middle maybe of the thing. It still flies around. That's weird. I'm a little confused. Gotta say, I'm really actually a little confused about this thing. So it only planted like half the saplings, and the saplings didn't get planted nearly at the same rate. It sort of waited a while and did something up there. That's a little weird. Oh, you know what it did? It actually cleared blocks. Okay, because it was actually clearing some of the wood blocks there. I think that's the key. You actually have to have it... Oh, weird. Are they the same? Hold on. It finished. Wait. Wait a minute. This template is done. The dirt template is done. Ah, crap. I'm gonna have to fix this a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get into here and check this out. But this dirt template, you see how the bottom template is gone? Yeah, I need to look at this a little more, in a little more detail, because this template now has no dirt left. I don't know what happened to that. I mean, it stopped building, but it also erased the template. That sucks. Oh, I hope this isn't a permanent thing. Well, hold on, guys. I'm gonna do a few more tests, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here I am in a creative world again I just made, and we have a little bit of a problem. This might be something that might not, well, okay, it's not going to get fixed, the tree farm, in this episode. Let's just put it out there right now. I did this little thing, I made a little template. Did I make one right now? Maybe I did, who knows. This is a test. Template, I love the fact that you can name them now. But let's make a template here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 24 blocks. So we'll, where's my builder? I think it's over here. I think I have one in here. No, I don't actually. But that's okay, because we have this new interface, which is awesome. Finally. Thank you, Minecraft, or Buildcraft, whatever, for giving me that. But let me just place it right, let's place it right here. And then grab the template. Just like this. That's the test template. Go over here. We'll put it in. It should make it look like it does over there, and it is, which is pretty cool. We'll have to make it run. Give this some coal. We just need a few in there. Yep, that's fine. And then start building. In which case we actually need some blocks. 36. That's plenty. Well, actually, we'll do it this way. We'll do it with 23. So this sort of mimics what we have in the tree farm, which is the tree farm has 15 blocks of dirt in there, and there's 16 blocks in the template. So it never finishes the template, which is very important. And so we'll just basically just let this run. Okay, so this is, here it goes. Okay, here it goes. Okay, it's building them from there. You'll see the pattern of building. It's this. Again, I'm not sure. We'll have to do a little video and to see what the pattern of building is, but you know, it's not too important at this point. What I just want to show you is that, okay, so it's building these blocks. It's throwing in the blocks in the template. Even though they're dirt over there, they can be gold blocks here, whatever you want. So that's we're gonna stop it after 12 blocks. So say that's it. That's all I had in there. All right, just had 12 blocks. Stop. Stop. There you go. Seriously. Okay, we're just going to get rid of all these. And then if you imagine what happens in the tree farm, everything grows, and it's all done. You click the harvest button, all these blocks end up going away, and they go back to the builder, which finishes. Whoops. Let's put that back. Which basically finishes. It has only 10 blocks left, but you assume that it has only, let's just say, 12 more blocks. So it'll do the bottom 12 again for another planting. So, all right, now I want to plant again. I'll have another 12 blocks be laid, and here we go. So just start it up again, and this is the problem. In the previous Buildcraft version, the builder, when it is reset, it resets itself to the start of the template. That's in version 2 of Buildcraft. In this version of Buildcraft, unfortunately what happens, you see the space here? It's actually starting from where it stopped last, which is a huge problem for our tree farm. This is what we don't want to have happen. And you see it actually finishes. So that totally sucks. We can have it do it again, but we have to actually replace this template like you see me doing right there, which is just, I mean, it's unacceptable. It's not something that we can do. I mean, yes, it won't stop still if you just give it, say, let's say I give it 3 blocks. I'll have it run. It'll place 3 blocks. So right now I just placed the template in again, so it starts from the beginning again. It has 3 blocks, and then it can't do anything else. That's fine. Yada, yada, yada. You shut it off. And then that thing apparently goes to the middle or whatever. Give it 3 more blocks. Turn it on again, and oh, actually, let's turn it off again. Hold on, wait. Let's turn it off. Oops, harvest, harvest, harvest. Turn it on again, and where does it start from? It starts from that second row right here. So it starts from right where I stopped it from last. Crap, this sucks. Also in the previous builder, if you got rid of a block that was being currently placed, it would actually go back and place it in sequence. So let's see if we can do that here. So what happens when I just get rid of this block as it travels? Yeah, so it just keeps on going. Damn! Alright, well, this is a problem for our tree farm. I have some things that I might think about. I'll be looking at this problem a little bit, and but we might have to change things with the tree farm. Yeah, we'll have to think about how we can make it into something cool again, but ew. So that's a downfall of upgrading, but the positive side of upgrading is we get to play with things like the assembly the assembly table, lasers, blueprints, which I think, yeah, blueprints weren't in the last one. All sorts of cool things. So, and also things like stripes. Transport pipe, which is kind of have some funny features. Oh, I don't know what that one is. Huh, that's neat. So a few of these things are new to me. I don't really know what to be honest with, I don't really know. Spawn ocelot. Yeah, why not? Let's spawn an ocelot. There you go. Kitty! So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright. But that'll do it for this episode, guys. Sorry we couldn't get the tree farm running again, but, well... Okay, guys, actually, I'm back. Haha, just kidding. And, I didn't want to end on a sour note to say that the tree farm is done and, oh, wah, too bad it's not coming back. Totally is. Guess what? It totally is. We're going to do it with Buildcraft 3 style. It's going to be Tree Farm 2.0. And I got to think about a little bit about exactly how I'm going to be doing this and the wiring and the setup and everything, but it's actually going to be a little easier. First of all, we can use blueprints, and this is basically a blueprint I just copied over there. It's starting to grow. But yeah, let's just say, okay, that's gone away. Blueprints are basically the same thing as a template. It just allows you to use multiple type of blocks. Stop doing that. Ugh. Is that going to screw everything up? I think so. First of all, our builder friend doesn't really like anything else to be in its template. So let me just help him out a little. Whoa, total lag out. Oh, wow, I don't know if you guys saw that, but I totally lagged out myself. I don't know if you guys felt that. But anyways. Alright, so he's trying to build. He built, And he's got one more sapling to place. Place it, dude. Alright, now he's done. Oh, darn it. This is where we were before. Totally sucks. Guess what? Guess what awesomeness I just discovered? When you, actually, screw it. You know what? Screw it. Screw it! Let's check this out. See what's in there? You got a blueprint. You got a few of these things. Check it out! Oh, this so makes me so happy. In fact, screw it. We can just do it with one button. Button press, hit it. What are you going to pump out? Guess what comes out? The blueprint. Oh, this is so awesome. Check this out. This little thing right here. This resets it. This gets me so excited because it totally works. Yay! And guess what happens when we put it back? Ba-boom! It's back again, baby. And it's ready for business. You can do it exactly the same way. And say, hey, fix that. I did something there. Darn. It's going to build the block of dirt there. Dirt, dirt. Sapling, sapling, sapling. And it'll be done. And we can do the whole thing again. So we're going to actually set up our tree farm this way. It's actually going to be a little quicker, I think. And the actual planting part maybe might not be so quick. I'm not so sure. But it'll just get rid of the outline. So we actually don't have to have the outline. It's actually a little nicer looking. And, yeah, pretty cool, right? So this is going to work just great. And, awesome. So, anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. And we probably won't be doing tree farm. We're going to be doing some new Buildcraft stuff because I want to get to working on some of the new stuff. So, I might do a little bit of the tutorial series, like I said. The next episode, who knows? It'll be something. It'll be something pretty good. And I'll try to be reasonable with it. So anyways, see you guys in the next vid, and take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.